attention of the class for 1 second.
My name is Slim Shady.
Hi kids, do you like violence? Wanna see me stick 9-inch nails to each one of my eyelids? Wanna copy me and do exactly like I did? Try sit and get fucked up worse than my life is? My brain's dead weight, I'm trying to get my head straight, but I can't figure out which Spice Girl I wanna impregnate. And Dr. Dre said,
Slim Shady, you a basic. So why's your face red, man? You wasted.
Well, since age 12, I felt like I'm someone else, cause I hung my original self from the top bunk to the belt. Got pissed off and ripped Pamela Lee's tits off and smacked her so hard I knocked her clothes backwards like crisscross. I smoke a fat pound of grass and fall on my ass faster than the fat bitch who sat down too fast. Come here, slut. Shady, wait a minute, that's my girl, dog. I don't give a fuck, God sent me to piss the world off.
Hi, my name is
What?
My name is
Who?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is My name is
What?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is
What?
My name is
Who?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is My name is
What?
My name is
Slim Shady. My English teacher wanted to have sex in junior high. The only problem was my English teacher was the guy. I smacked him in his face with an eraser, chased him with a stapler, stapled his nuts to a stack of paper. Walked in a strip club, had my jacket zipped up, blasted the bartender, then stuck my dick in a tip cup. Extraterrestrial, killing pedestrians, raping lesbians while they screaming. 99% of my life I was lied to. I just found out my mom does more dope than I do. I told her I'd grow up to be a famous rapper, make a record about doing drugs and name it after. You know you blew up when the women rush your stand and try to touch your hands like some screaming Usher fans. This guy at White Castle asked for my autograph, so I signed it. Dear Dave, thanks for the support, asshole.
Hi, my name is My name is
Who?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is
What?
My name is
Who?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is My name is
Who?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi, my name is
What?
My name is My name is
Slim Shady. Stop the tape, this kid needs to be locked away.